has to come up.
So since you mentioned very heavily on training, Engineering Watch has come up with a unique initiative called Engineering Watch eGov Campuses, where we have got engineering colleges across the country who are assisting the government departments and other people in their e-governance challenges, deploying technology, training them and helping them. So would KV be open to tie up with these eGov campuses where their faculty and their students can come and lend their helping hand in what they have learned, and so that a synergistic relationship happens whereby the learning flows both sides?
Yeah, definitely. As such, if I say in principle, KV is open to every good thing which comes either through the education field, or it comes from the field of industry, industrial partner, or any other partner. But so we are open actually, but I'm not able to see how these students will be making the difference in our schools but definitely we are open to all those kinds of the proposals where our teachers can be better empowered and can be trained on technology. And I hope it is quite exciting to hear that college students, those who are in engineering college and other, they come to school and they motivate not only to more of training the teachers. I feel if they talk to the children, it will be quite exciting for children to talk to those people, those who are already there, and share their experiences in the college, and can tell them how to prepare themselves for not only to do better in school, and moreover to prepare themselves for engineering college or professional colleges. So it will be a good to think about it. Yeah, it's quite exciting.
That's really positive, sir. Sir, taking this entire concept further, Engineering Watch has also initiated a drive called Engineering Watch Fellowships, where we are planning to identify some 1,000 ranchos, some out of the way innovative students, and making them the role model for the entire class of 10 lakh plus students of engineering. How do you think in this fellowship these students will be mentored by one or the other industry experts, expanding their horizons and supporting them in multifarious fashions? So how do you think that this fellowship would be of some relevance or importance to the students, 11 lakh students across KV?
Yeah, this is really something good, and good to hear that you have come up with some design of this kind. And it is really, it will go a long way that if a child is being mentored by Narayan Murthy, or it's mentored by some icon of icon from industry or from any other reputed field. So definitely it will make a lot of difference in the life of the children. And these 1,000 children, you see, mentor, the role of a mentor, there cannot be any Arjun without Dronacharya. So I feel this is something great idea actually of mentoring a child one-to-one by such an iconic personality, who can simply change the tide to any side. If so, one life, it is more than required, I believe. The size of the personality, if you what you are telling me, from the industry or from such reputed fields, if it comes to the life of one child, definitely it will be having terrific effect on the life of the person. It's really a wonderful idea. Yeah.
So last but not the least, what's the vision 2020 for Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan? What 3 key interventions you are planning and putting all your energies to achieve it by 2020?
Yeah, our vision for 2020, maybe KVS is already, as far as government system is concerned, we feel ki we are being seen as one of the pace setter educational system. People look towards us, whether it's a ministry there in the government or any other government system. They always look forward about our various schemes, our various ways, our training programs and our inspection program, school mentoring program. So all that is being seen by the people as an ideal. For us, what we feel, as you have said rightly, is very, very difficult at present to tell you that what are the 3 priorities area maybe. But still I feel that the education in 2020 will be quite different what it is. our people say that education is a kind of field where changes are taking place at the slowest pace. Classrooms are not changing even for 100 years. The way I was taught, our teachers are teaching today. But I think now situation is changing and classrooms are being changed. In the classrooms, so the one thing is this, what I can say, our priority is this, that our classrooms will be a future classrooms. Our classrooms should be the world classrooms, where whatever is happening in at the highest level, we want कि Kendriya Vidyalaya should compete with all kind of world class education. Our classroom environment will be of that type. Our children, definitely they are making impact on the society of the country, but they will further contribute into it. And as you have said, actually I am looking forward कि Kendriya Vidyalaya will be playing a elderly role in facilitating its facilities and other infrastructure to its other schools or the government schools which may not be having that much. So I think these three may be the areas which we should take up.
Thanks a lot, sir, for such a vibrant interaction. So here we had Mr. Nagendra Goyal, the Deputy Commissioner at Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan headquarters. He is a real educational leader in the right earnest, with the right passion in the field which will be shaping the lives and destinies of millions of Indians in future. We would be back with yet another exciting edu leader in our next edition. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, sir.
Oh, thank you. Can we have a look also?
Yes.